My name is Harshad Trivedi and I am a legal intern at Lexington Company. So today we are going to talk about domicile. Domicile basically means permanent home. It is a relationship between the individual and locality where he has his permanent home. In law, domicile is the status or arbitration of being a lawful permanent resident in a particular jurisdiction. A person can remain domiciled in a jurisdiction even after they have left it if they have maintained sufficient links with the jurisdiction or have not displayed an intention to live permanently. If that person has moved to a different state but has not yet formed an intention to remain there indefinitely. In all countries following common law, the criterion employed to connect a person with a particular legal system in matters of personal status and succession in criterion of domicile. Thus, situation regarding capacity to marry and rights to movable property are determined by domicile. Domicile and citizenships are wholly different concepts. Domicile is a person's civil rights, citizenship is the political status. In civil law, the term used is nationality. Both the terms differ a lot. The principles of domicile. The basic principles are that no person can be without a domicile. No person can at the same time, for the same purposes, have more than one domicile. An existing domicile is presumed to continue until it is proved that a new domicile has been acquired. Domicile denotes the connection of a person with the territorial system of law. No person can be without a domicile. This rule is based upon the practical necessity of connecting every person with some legal system by which questions affecting his family relations and family properties are to be determined. In case of Udny versus Udny, that no man shall be without a domicile and secure the results, the law attributes to every individual as soon as he is born the domicile of his father if the child is legitimate, and the domicile of mother if illegitimate. This has been called the domicile of origin and involuntary. Domicile of origin prevails until a new domicile has been acquired. The different types are domicile of origin. How acquired is that the father's domicile where the father was alive at the child's birth, the mother's domicile where the father was not alive at the child's birth or where the child was illegitimate. Domicile of choice when a child reached the age of majority and had subsequently settled in another jurisdiction with the intention of making it their permanent home. Domicile of origin. By operation of law, every person acquires a domicile of origin at birth, which can never be extinguished. Even if a person obtains a new domicile via choice or by dependence, the domicile of origin is never completely lost. It merely lies dormant in the background and revives itself if gaps in acquiring and losing domicile emerges. The law of domicile has force developed predominantly through common rules. In English law, domicile of origin was ascribed according to the status of a child as legitimate or illegitimate in the following way. A legitimate child takes father's domicile at birth to be its domicile of origin. An illegitimate child takes the mother's domicile. Even if a child is born posthumously or an illegitimate child is later than legitimated, in both the scenarios the domicile of origin will remain the same as that of the mother. An adopted child probably acquires the domicile of origin of the adoptive parents. As such, as child is treated as if born in law wedlock. The domicile of origin is conferred on the basis of origin. There are exceptional cases like re Mackenzie's, where domicile of origin of child is determined on the basis of the place where he was found and not on the basis of parents' domicile. Domicile of a founding child is determined on the basis of the place where he was found and not on the basis of his parents' original domicile is unknown. It was held the domicile of an illegitimate child was determined on the basis of the place where he was found because the domicile of his mother was unknown. Thank you.